back once again to a Sandwich Saturday. Really easy today. We're going to make a cheese and tomato toasty, but with a bit of onion and a bit of pesto sauce. I'm using green pesto. You can use red if you want. So I'm using some cheddar. You could be using some mozzarella if you want. A little bit of tomato chopped small, a little bit of onion, again chopped small, and about a tablespoon for 2 sandwiches of the pesto. Simply, we're going to give that a mix. Okay, so 4 slices of bread that I've lightly buttered, melted butter I use. You can just use regular, like solid butter if you want. So they're the outsides. Sexy gloves are on. So let's turn these over, because I'm going to grab this with my hand. By the way, you did see me put some black pepper in this when I was doing it. When I was doing this mixture, I did add black pepper. I didn't add any salt though, because we've got, I mean, the cheese is quite salty. Press this down in there. This is so easy, this one, but delicious. All right, that's it. So butter side is facing down. This butter goes up, that butter goes up. Give it a little press down, and then we're going to get these on the grill. Okay, so I've got a kind of flat press grill. Simply, I'm going to drop one on. We're going to drop the one next to it. We're going to close that grill. It's going to be about 4 minutes. You know what we're looking for. And don't they look dandy? Look at that, beautiful. See if we can grab these, get them out of there. Absolutely wonderful. Just going to chop them on the board for you. See you in a sec. Sound beautifully crispy. Let's cut them open. Oh, we've got some lovely oozing cheese there with that lovely pesto. Look at that. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. See you later.